At some point in our lives, we've all experienced the frustration of feeling stuck, unfulfilled, or unable to reach our goals. We look around and see others achieving their dreams, wondering why we're not on that same path. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your desires lies not in your external circumstances, but in the way you believe yourself to be? In this mind-bending video, we will delve deep into the mysteries of manifestation, exploring the profound connection between your beliefs and the reality you experience. Prepare to have your perspective shattered as we reveal the untapped power that resides within your very being. Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly attract success, abundance, and joy into their lives, while others seem to struggle endlessly? It's time to uncover the truth behind this enigma. Join me as we journey into the realms of the mind, where thoughts become things and possibilities become limitless. But beware, what you are about to discover may challenge everything you thought you knew about life and the world around you. As we unravel the secrets of manifestation, we will prove that it is not bound by the limitations of external circumstances. It is driven by the unwavering belief in yourself and your inherent power to shape your reality. So, if you're ready to break free from the chains that bind you, if you're ready to unlock the true potential that lies dormant within, then I implore you to stay tuned. Hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future mind-expanding content. Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey of self-discovery, where the impossible becomes possible and your dreams become your reality. The power of manifestation awaits. All right, let's begin. Friends, deep within our subconscious minds lies a tremendous power. That power is the ability to manifest our beliefs into reality. Our beliefs act as a filter through which we perceive the world, influencing our thoughts, actions, and ultimately, the outcomes we experience. Let's say you have a deep-seated belief that money is hard to come by and abundance is out of reach. As a result, you may find yourself constantly struggling to make ends meet and feeling limited when it comes to financial opportunities. This is a clear manifestation of your belief in scarcity. By recognizing this belief and consciously shifting it to one of abundance, you can begin to attract new opportunities and experiences that align with your revised mindset. Our beliefs don't just influence our relationship with ourselves, but also how we interact with others. Many times, we carry unhelpful stories or beliefs about a specific person, shaping our perceptions and experiences within that relationship. By identifying and changing these beliefs, we have the power to transform the dynamics and bring about positive changes. Let's take the example of a strained relationship with a family member. If you've held onto negative assumptions about them for years, it's likely that your interactions have been colored by this belief. By consciously reframing your thoughts and embracing more positive beliefs about this person, you can begin to notice shifts in how you relate to each other. This might involve recognizing their strengths, acknowledging their efforts, and opening yourself to forgiveness and understanding. The ripple effect of this change in perspective can be truly transformative, bringing harmony and deeper connection into the relationship. Now, let's explore some practical techniques that can help reinforce positivity and accelerate the manifestation of positive change. Affirmations, visualizations, scripting, and techniques that promote a sense of well-being are invaluable tools in reshaping our beliefs and aligning ourselves with the reality we desire. Take the practice of daily affirmations, for instance. By consistently repeating positive statements such as "I am worthy of love and abundance," or "I attract positive opportunities in my life," you are actively rewiring your subconscious mind towards positivity and possibility. Visualizations, where you vividly imagine yourself living the life you desire, further amplify this effect by creating a strong emotional connection to your desired reality. Whether it's by writing a script for your ideal future or engaging in activities that bring you joy, these techniques help shift our vibration, aligning us with the positive experiences we see. Friends, let me tell you a story on power of beliefs. Here it goes. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Brightville, there lived a diligent and ambitious individual named Alex. Alex had been suffering under the reign of an incompetent boss, Mr. Johnson, whose poor leadership and constant mistakes had created chaos and hindered growth within the company. Frustration and disappointment had slowly consumed Alex's daily life, until one day, a glimmer of hope appeared. A close friend recommended trying belief-adjusting exercises, which could potentially bring about positive changes in both personal and professional realms. Never one to shy away from an opportunity for growth, Alex decided to explore this new avenue. With determination and a belief in the power of manifestation, Alex set a goal: to get rid of Mr. Johnson and to have their significant other, Emma, choose to stay home instead of going on vacation. From that point forward, Alex immersively delved into a routine of belief-adjusting exercises. Each morning, while gazing into the bathroom mirror, Alex repeated affirmations, reinforcing the belief that positive changes were already taking place. In the evenings after a long day at work, Alex would sit in a quiet space, closing their eyes and visualizing the desired outcomes. Vivid images of an empowered and competent team and quality time spent together at home with Emma filled their mind. Days turned into weeks, and as Alex remained steadfast in their belief-adjusting exercises, subtle shifts began to resonate. The office atmosphere grew tense as Mr. Johnson's mistakes became impossible to ignore. Clients voiced their dissatisfaction, and the higher-ups took notice. Meanwhile, as Alex's belief continued to strengthen, conversations with Emma took on a new tone. Gentle words of appreciation for the comforts of home, the relaxation in familiar surroundings, and the joy of simply being together began to fill their interactions. 3 weeks passed, and the tides of change surged within the office. The higher-ups held a crucial meeting where they addressed the mounting issues caused by Mr. Johnson's incompetence. And as fate would have it, the decision was made to let him go, relieving the company of his burdensome presence. On the same evening as the significant revelation at work, Alex sat across from Emma, a sparkle in their eyes. With a smile that spoke volumes, Emma expressed her thoughts. "Alex, you know what? I've been thinking. Instead of going on that vacation, how about we create our own little paradise right here? We'll turn our home into a haven of relaxation and warmth. It'll be divine." In that moment, Alex's heart swelled with joy, knowing that their belief-adjusting exercises had not only transformed their professional life, but also impacted the choices of their significant other. The power of manifestation had worked wonders. And so, Alex's story became a testament to the power of belief, the strength within to manifest desired realities. As the winds of change swept through their life, Alex realized that with unwavering belief, anything was possible. And there you have it, my friends. Success truly is a choice that originates from within ourselves. We hope that this video has inspired you on your manifestation journey. Let go of those false beliefs of limitations, my friends, because freedom is the divine reality that awaits us. As we release beliefs of misery, confusion, and restriction, we open ourselves up to a world of healing, happiness, and everlasting peace. If you found value in this video, we would be thrilled if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We're here to support you on your journey of manifestation and personal growth. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Let's create a community of empowered manifestors where insights are shared and hearts are lifted. Before we say goodbye, we'd like to offer you a heartfelt blessing on your manifestation journey. May your dreams come to life, your desires find their way to you, and may love, abundance, and joy be your constant companions along the way.